welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1986 Chevrolet Blazer K5. Really nice truck, guys. Two-owner North Carolina truck. It has factory color combination. It's had one repaint, factory white car or white truck with it's got all the original burgundy cloth interior. Really good truck. Runs and drives excellent. Rock solid Carolina body. If you're looking for a nice K5, I think you guys are gonna love this truck. It's got the white removable top. Again, two-owner truck. 126,000 miles on it. The engine was rebuilt. Matter of fact, there's a receipt. We've got a receipt for that. It's about 10,000 miles on the engine since it was done. Automatic overdrive trans. Of course, it's four-wheel drive. Factory rear end. Good-looking truck, man. I've been trying to buy a few of these, man. It's not easy to find them. A lot of them are just really beat up. It's time to, it's tough to find. It's tough to find anything nice, but this is a nice truck. Again, one repaint. It's original color. Original 305 engine underneath the hood. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got air. I just had the air recharged. If you want to nitpick some stuff, you can nitpick kind of the trim in here. So it's original. Paint is super slick. You can see the bumpers are nice. I like the big bumperettes on it. Good looking truck. Really drives good. I probably put, 5-6 miles on it. Nice and tight. Glass is nice on it. It's got the sliding rear glass on the top. Rear window does work. We've got it down so we can open this deck lid for you. Nathan will put it up for you when we get around back here to the back and we get it running after we shut the deck lid. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich All Terrain TAs all the way around it. Factory wheels. You can see it does have it's got a brake box in it as well as the plug-in for the if you wanted to tow a trailer or something. Again, if you want to nitpick, you can nitpick a little bit in there. It's original. Very nice though. Rock solid North Carolina body. We've got all the original owner's manuals for it. Again, we've got some maintenance records on the truck as well. Look how clean this thing is. It's nice underneath. Your door sticker's still on it, on the driver's door over there, as well as the GM sticker inside the glove box, showing all your options on the truck. Again, original 305 cubic inch engine, stock. It's got a Holley 4-barrel on it. They came factory, I guess, with a Quadrajet. Now it's got a Holley on it. Power steering, power disc brakes, air. Just had the AC recharged. Automatic overdrive trans. Here's your jack, the spares in the back. Again, there is a receipt for the rebuild on the engine. All the brakes are brand new. That was done within the last, I think, 5-6 months. There's a receipt in there for it. Rubber looks good. It's just a little dust, guys. You get dusty out here quick this time of year. We got pollen in the air. Original soft ray glass. Saw a couple little marks in it. Looks like the original door handles, they're nice. And there's the original GM tag in the door. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. Bucket seats with the console. Tilt column. I ordered the new bow tie floor mats for it. Again, there's your brake box. Factory dash, $26,849 on the odometer. That's 126 is what it is. Again, there is a receipt in there for the rebuild on the engine. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette. Again, it's got the fold down rear seat. A 31-gallon fuel tank in it. It's got the factory 308 rear gear. This is nice and clean in here. Look at the little cracks and crevices on this truck. That's where they're normally rotted right out. You see this one's clean. That's all your maintenance records, as well as all your owner's manuals for the truck. It's like all your interior lights are working. Again, your I don't think I got this shut. Now, rear power window does work. It's got a switch on the dash. The side power windows are a little slow putting them up and down. Yeah, nice and clean underneath. Just a good truck, man. Doors are nice. Dash is really nice. It's not all split up. A lot of times from the south, man, they're a little busted up. Good truck. You can go ahead and start it up, Nathan. A little fitting in those door handles. Mirrors are nice. Just kicked your AC on. Wrong side here. It blows cold. Like I said, just had it recharged. Gauges work. Brake lights. Yep, see his power windows working. Make sure you kick it down. You can hear the choke works. Idles up and down. Reverse lights work. Radio, there's your power window switch. Pop your radio on there.
It's not.
Oh, radio doesn't work?
It powers up, but there's no, the volume button's not working.
Oh, okay. I know the blower motor works. Oh, we got to turn it out. Got a turn signal out up front. We'll check that by a bulb. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I put a new video on. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty truck right there. find them like that. Most of them are just, you know, to be honest with you, pretty rusted out, pretty beat up. That's a nice truck. Have a great day, guys.